Imagine being hundreds of thousands of kilometers from Earth, and suddenly, your spacecraft starts smelling like something is burning. Yeah, this actually happened on Artemis II mission. But the real problem? It wasn't a fire. It was the toilet. Inside Orion's spacecraft is one of the most advanced space toilets ever built. It costs over $20 million. It uses airflow instead of gravity. It separates liquid and solid waste, and it's designed for deep space missions. But during the mission, something went wrong. Crew members reported a burning smell coming from the hygiene system. And in space, that's terrifying. A burning smell could mean electrical failure, or a fire you can't escape. But when engineers investigated, they found something completely unexpected: ice. In deep space, temperatures don't behave like they do on Earth. There's no atmosphere, no natural heat regulation. So inside the system, urine turns into moisture. That moisture becomes condensation, and that condensation freezes fast. Ice begins forming inside pipes, vents, and critical airflow systems. And just like that, you've got a blockage. Now here's where it gets interesting. When airflow gets blocked, fans work harder, systems strain, heat builds up. And that combination creates a very familiar smell, like an overheating electrical device. So ironically, it smells like fire, but it's actually ice causing the problem. At that point, NASA had to make a decision: limit the toilet to solid waste only. Why? Because liquid makes everything worse. More moisture means more freezing. More freezing means more blockage. So astronauts had to switch to backup urine bags. And this isn't just a weird space story. It exposes a serious challenge. Human waste in deep space is extremely difficult to manage. Even on the International Space Station, toilets need constant maintenance. Astronauts are specially trained just to use them. But Artemis missions go much farther, where repairs are harder and failure is riskier. If a toilet struggles on a short mission, what happens on months-long moon missions or a mission to Mars? You can't just manage that problem for months. It becomes mission critical. So what happened on Artemis II wasn't just a strange headline. It's a reminder that space travel isn't just about rockets and engines. It's about solving human problems in the most extreme environment imaginable. And sometimes, the biggest challenge in space is going to the bathroom.